How do you correctly use the HTTP delete method? Imagine you want to remove a file from your computer. You select it and hit delete. In the world of web development, deleting a resource works in a similar way, but through the internet. The HTTP delete method is used to tell a server to remove a specific resource. It's a simple yet powerful command in the language of web APIs. To use it correctly, you need to send a request targeting the exact location of the resource you want gone. This location is called the Uniform Resource Identifier, or URI. For example, if you want to delete a user with the ID 123, your URI might look like users 123. When you send the delete request, you usually don't include a message body. The server identifies what to delete just from the URI in the request line. If you need to add extra information, like a reason for deletion, it's better to use query parameters or custom headers instead. Before sending the request, make sure to include any necessary headers, like an authorization token, to confirm you have permission to delete the resource. Once the server receives your request, it responds with a status code. A 200 for no content means the deletion was successful and nothing more is returned. A 200 OK indicates success and might include some details about what was deleted. A 200 to accepted shows the deletion is being processed asynchronously, which means it might take some time. If the resource doesn't exist anymore, you'll get a 404 not found. Remember, the delete method is idempotent, which means sending it multiple times won't cause errors or extra deletions. After the resource is gone, further delete requests for the same URI should return a 404. Responses to delete requests are generally not cacheable because the resource's state has changed. In API design, delete is used to remove resources identified by their URIs. You don't need to know how the server deletes the resource, just that it will be gone after your request. When developing backend systems, always check that users are authorized before deleting data. Use clear URI structures so resources are easy to identify. For bulk deletions or complex cases, it's better to use post or patch with a payload instead of delete with a body, since not all servers support bodies in delete requests. Lastly, keep logs of delete operations for auditing and troubleshooting. Using the delete method correctly means targeting the right URI, avoiding request bodies, handling the correct status codes, and respecting its idempotent nature. This keeps your API simple, predictable, and aligned with web standards.